Good morning, fabulous third graders. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. So let's go through your day's lessons today. So we're going to review, compare, and contrast. So again, compare how things are alike and contrast is how they are different. Okay, so you can see in the picture they're comparing and contrasting two different kinds of chips, the store brand Cheesy Puffs and Cheetos Puffs. So how are those the same? That would be compare. And how are they different? That would be contrast. So your worksheet today looks like this. And it is again about trees, a way to compare trees. Okay. And you're going to read that and answer those 4 questions. I do want you to go ahead and do the strategy practice. Underline some of the words and phrases that help you visualize how broadleaf and needle-leaf trees are alike and different. So I do want you to go ahead and do that strategy practice. Okay, then your next assignment will be your language. Today we're going to look at object pronouns. So they are pronouns that take the place of nouns that come after the verb. So the example says, the bus driver gave the students a treat on the last day of school. So you notice the students comes after the verb gave. So that makes it an object. So now we can replace the words the students with the pronoun them. The bus driver gave them a treat on the last day of school. So you have a box of a list of object pronouns, you, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. And you're going to use those to replace the underlined words in the sentence. Okay, then you have your daily language review. So you're doing Tuesday today. Number 1 is to list 2 words that rhyme with the word 5. Then you have your 2 sentences that you will correct and write correctly on the line. And then 4 and 5, you're going to circle the word that would come first in alphabetical order. Remember, when the first letter is the same, then you go to the second letter, and that's how you put them in alphabetical order. Okay, your next assignment will be your cursive. Okay, so today we're going to look at owls have sharp talons and they are hunters. So you're going to write those words and then write the 2 sentences neatly in cursive. Okay, next you'll have your second vocabulary word. So let's review your vocabulary word that we did yesterday, which was praise. Praise is words that express approval or admiration. So just as a review, so here are some giving praise or not giving praise. Great job, that would be giving praise. That's excellent, that would be giving praise. You're going to need to try again. That is not giving praise. Let me help you. That would not be giving praise. And I love the bright colors in your picture. That would be giving praise. Okay, so your vocabulary word for today is admire. When you admire someone, you respect and look up to them. It's a verb. I admire people who can play a musical instrument. I look up to them or respect them. I can't play a musical instrument, so I admire the people who can. So you can pause the video so you can do your vocabulary sheet. All right, your next assignment for today will be your math. So there is your math. You have a multiplication problem. You have a couple problems on there dealing with money. 3 2-digit addition problem, a division, 28 divided by 7, and then a 0 divided by 9. So remember, you can look at it as 7 times what equals 28. Then you have a 3-digit by 3-digit subtraction. Remember, if the Number on the bottom is smaller, you can't subtract. So you got to think about what you would need to do in that case. Number 8, again, is a division problem. It just looks different. And you cannot take 6. 6 times nothing is 29. So remember, you have to get as close to 29 as you can without going over. And then whatever is left will be a remainder. So you'd write R and then that number. And then the last 2 problems are clocks, and you're going to tell what time it will be. So you have to look at the clock and then read the directions and tell what time it will be. Okay, and then on the back, again, you have a page of multiplication problems. Okay, I want to look at figurative language. I was going to do that earlier and I forgot. So a metaphor is when you are comparing 2 unlike things. So remember last week, Miss Lint talked about a simile. So a simile is when you compare 2 things using the words like or as. Well, this time you're comparing 2 unlike things, but you do not use the words like or as. That's a metaphor. Jenna's mouth is one huge metal factory. Okay, so you're comparing Jenna's mouth to a metal factory. And life is one long, scary roller coaster. So you're comparing life to a roller coaster, but you're not using the words like or as. Okay, so I'm going to show you your pages for your time capsule for today. So today is how I am feeling. Okay, so you're going to write, this is how I am feeling, what your face looks like, how you feel, things you've learned, 3 things you want to do when this is over. I know I have a list of things I want to do. And then this is my community. So where you are living, and then what are some things you are doing to help you feel connected or have fun outside. So what are some things you're doing and how are you connecting with others? So how are you keeping in contact with others and still feeling connected even though we can't be together? So those are your assignments for today. So you guys have a great day and I will see you back tomorrow. Bye.